This video describes the scramble up Fair Brook Gully, a short, fun Grade 1 scramble with lots of different options, easy escape routes, and plenty of bilberries during midsummer. Fair Brook Gully runs off south near the head of Fair Brook that lies roughly between the old Snake Inn on the A57 and the Kinder Plateau. Fuller details of parking, routes and grading are given in the text description underneath the video.
I'm standing above Fair Brook and just across from the entry point into Fair Brook Gully. Rising up from Fair Brook, the first part of Fair Brook Gully, is just a very gentle stroll amongst the heather. Whether you come up the narrower entry gully here or the wider main one here, you'll end up at pretty much the same spot, which is here where it's starting to get steeper, and although it looks like the slopes are covered in bilberries, quite a lot of rocks underneath. It's a pretty straightforward scramble over rocks, grass, boulders until we reach here. Unfortunately, there's a fence which not only keeps sheep out but also keeps scramblers out as well, so you've got to track along to the nearest stile in order to get over, but luckily they're fairly frequent. With a stile not more than 20 yards to the right of the gully, it's easy enough just to track across and then back into the steepest final part of the gully. It will be different in the winter, but despite several weeks of pretty continuous rain, just July and then August, the clough is dry, which is nice. It means the rocks are not greasy at all. And what's also good is that if you want to, you can just track across to the right and climb yourself up via the bilberry bushes if you don't fancy going over the boulders. What a great little scramble that was. Lots of different possible routes with slightly different gradings on them that you could take. So you could go all the way back down and immediately go back up again, trying something slightly different. Escape routes to particularly the right, but also the left if you just want to pull yourself up by the bilberry bushes and avoid anything too challenging. Nice grippy stone, short and sweet, highly recommend.